Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install Windows Movie Maker for your Windows 10. So here you can see that also I open some of sites with this program, and here you can see that also where it's version, here you can see that it's for Vista 7 and XP, so we haven't here it for Windows 10, but also I try to download it. So, and it's really works. So you just install download a version for Windows Vista or 7 and it will works in your Windows 10. So we will try it. I showed you that it works and it's not fake. So here you can see that also it's a version 2.6, it's for Vista and 7, and I'll try to install it to my Windows 10 and show you if it works or not. So let's try it. So let's go to our downloads. Here you can see it. So we will open it. Here you can see that if we really want to open it, just click yes. And here you can see our install wizard. So we choose next. I accept the terms and the license agreement. Install. And now we just need to wait some time after it will install this version of Windows Movie Maker to our Windows 10. So let's wait. I hope that it will work, but also we need to try it. So after we see it, we just choose yes. And let's wait. So here you can see that also it's copying new files, writing system registry values, publishing, removing backup. So we just click on finish and we will try to open it. So just go to search tab and just write in search tab Windows Movie so maybe it makes a shortcut in our desktop. No. So I also found our Movie Maker, so it's here. Just scroll down in all programs, and here it is. Just scroll down. Windows Movie Maker 2.6. Let's try to open it. So here you can see that it works and our method works, and you can also try by yourself to download a version for Windows 7 and install it to Windows 10. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.